In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to change hair colors. So first, duplicate your background layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Now create a selection to your hair by using a lasso tool or a pen tool. After creating a selection, click this icon to create a layer mask. Hide your background layer, go to Select and select and mask. Choose a Refine Edge Brush tool and just erase those unnecessary details. Now if you're satisfied with that, hit OK. Add an adjustment layer, click this icon, choose your saturation, create a clipping mask by clicking this icon, check Colorize, and put your saturation to 50. And just adjust your hue slider to your preference. Now change the blending mode from normal to hue and unhide your background layer. If you want this one to be refined more, click your layer mask, choose a brush tool, make sure your foreground and background color is white and black. Also decrease the opacity and your flow, and make sure your brush is a soft round brush. And now press X so that the foreground color changes to black, and just delete over those excess colors. If you want something to be painted again, press X so that the foreground color changes to white and just paint over. And we're done! I hope you've learned something from this tutorial. Hit that like button and notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you on my next video.